So hey guys, in this video we'll be discussing about the various simple methods. Okay, simple methods in order to solve the NCR formula. Okay, so you might have studied. Now this will be quite helpful for you guys in order to solve the expansion of binomial theorem. See, they will be asking you to expand 1 plus 2x power 4. Now you need to expand this. In that you will be seeing this kind of terms, right? So in each term you will be seeing what 4c0, 4c1, 4c2, this kind of things. Now in order to solve this kind of things, you need to first use simple methods rather than going for what formula. Now formula what happens if you want to calculate 4c3, what you're going to do is that, what is the formula for NCR? The formula is simple: n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial, right? So what is n factorial? N means the upper value, which is 4. So 4 factorial by r means the down one, which is 3. So 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. So I'll be getting 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 3 factorial means 3 into 2 into 1 into 4 minus 3 means 1 factorial. Now 1 factorial, as we know, it is equal to 1 only. Okay. Now 3 to 1 cancel, you will be getting 4 as the answer. But what if I told you that you can directly get the answer, okay, within 2-3 seconds itself? So 4c3, if you directly know it is equal to 4, then it will be quite useful, right? So for that purpose, what we are going to do is that we are going to learn the simple methods in order to get answers very quickly. Okay, see here, first you need to understand two things. Okay, the first thing will start with the first type, which is nothing but when you're getting NC0, the answer is always 1. Remember, if you are getting second type NC1, the answer is always n. Try to analyze this. First we'll go with first type. If I'm writing 5c0, the answer will be equal to 1. Why? Because if you are seeing the down part, okay, so remember, I'll be using the words upper part and down part. So you need to understand, it is upper part means the top one, down part is this one. Okay, so here we have 5 as upper part, 0 as the down part. So when you are seeing 0 as the down part, the answer is always 1. It doesn't matter what you have on the upper side. That means if I write 100C0, then also your answer will be 1, because you're seeing 0 down. Okay, so if I ask you 58C0, the answer again will be 1, because down it is 0. Simple thing, first concept complete. Okay, next second part, which is nothing but when you are seeing 1 down, the answer is the upper part. That means if I write 5C1, the answer will be 5, the upper part. If I am writing 100C1, answer will be equal to 100. That means you have to see whether down part is 1, then you have to write the answer as the upper part. Okay, so 1000C1, answer will be 1000. Simple as that. Okay, so whenever you are seeing this one, that down 1 is there, write the answer as upper part. Simple. If I am writing 4C1, the answer will be 4. If I am writing 5C1, answer is 5. If I am writing 6C1, answer is 6. Done. The third important part is, this is quite important. That means you have to rewrite the combination. Okay, so what is the third type? You have to rewrite the combination. NCR you have to rewrite. You have to learn how to rewrite. Simple thing. If I want to rewrite 5C3, what I am going to do? Simply fix the upper part, which is 5, then write C. Down part you have to change. That's it. In rewriting, the rule is simple. Fix the upper part. Down part you have to change according to what? The difference between lower and upper. I repeat, fix the upper portion, which is 5 and 5. down part you have to change according to what the difference between these two. What is the difference between 5 and 3? It is 2. 5 minus 3 is what? 2. So I can write it as 2. Simple. So I can write 5c3 as 5c2. Okay. So if I want to write 5c1, or I'll take 5c4. 5c4 I can write it as fix 5 and 5. Upper portion is always fixed. Okay. Down portion will be the difference of these two. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. Simple. Now these two values will be same. That means we have studied this one. I hope you remember the second type, which is we are having 1 here. What is the answer of 5c1? I have to write it as the upper as the answer 5. Therefore the value of 5c4 also is the 5. The value of 5c4 also is the same. That means the 5c4 value will be 5. Simple as that. So that means you need to learn how to rewrite the terms also. So if I say 6 3 4, what you are going to write it as? 6c4 is nothing but 6 you fix the upper portion c, then the down portion will be the difference of 6 and 4, which is nothing but 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So the answer of 6c2 and 6c4 will be the same. This is what rewriting the combination. Okay, let us take few more examples. 7c2, I can write it as 7 fixed c, down part is difference between these two. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay, so 7c5. This is the answer. You're getting? Okay, so this will be quite useful, because if I write 5c5, what is the answer of 5c5? I can write it as 5 fixed c. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now 5c4, 5c0. 5c0, what is the answer? If you see down part 0, the answer is exactly 1. That means 1 is the answer of 5c5 also, or 5c0 also. So one more thing you can understand from here is that if we are getting the same, that means NCN, if you are getting fourth type, third type is rewriting the stuffs. Okay, fourth type is that NCN, that means the answer is always 1. It is same like NC0. You're saying 0, the answer is 1, right? Same thing. If I write 7c7, answer is 7. Why? Because 7c7 you can write it as 7c0. Simple as that. Okay. So if I want to write 7c, 14c14, what is the answer? It is nothing but 1. If both are same, the answer is 1. Or you can just rewrite and check 14c 0, right? It is nothing but 1. Okay, so this is the fourth type you can remember, or you can just remember include in the first type itself. Okay, NC0, it's the same as that thing. Just rewriting and just putting answer as 1. That's it. Okay, so one more example. 5c 5. What is the answer of 5c5? We have taken this example. Okay, so we'll just change it. For example, 4c4. What is the answer? It is 1. So when you are getting the same up and down, answer will be 1. These all things you have to remember in order to solve the binomial expansion in a faster way. Now coming to, now this values you understood how to write and all, but in rewriting you can see this value 64 and all this, how to solve these values, that you need to understand, right? So that will be dealing with that now. So see here, the fifth part is that how to solve venom. This and all solution is direct. This and all values are direct answer, right? 1 0, these are all values you are getting directly. Answer is 1, answer is 0. That's it, right? Answer 1 is there, 0 is there, up number is there, the upper part of the number is there as the answer. That and all is the direct values. But what if I say 63, calculate 63? Now you have to calculate this number. 63, I can write it as 62 also. Oh, sorry, 63, if I want to rewrite, it will be the same thing. 60, difference between 6 and 3 is 6, 3 only. I mean 3 only. Okay, so now into rewrite and again it's the same thing. Now 63, how to calculate? The formula method is nothing but, I'll show you two methods. One is formula method, another one is a simple method. In the formula method, what you have to do, the formula is NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Simple formula. Okay, combination formula. Now what is n and r? N is nothing but 6, r is nothing but 3. You can just compare it, right? 6c3 and ncr. So n means n factorial, that is n factorial you have to do. R factorial is 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 factorial. So it will be equal to 6 factorial by 3 factorial into 6 minus 3 means it is 3 factorial. Now 6 factorial I can write it as 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Decreasing order you have to write. Okay, multiplication in decreasing order till 1. Now 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1. Again 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Then this 3 into 2 into 1, this 3 into 2 into 1 get cancelled. So 1 anyways no use, 1 you remove off. Then 2 2s are 3 2s are 2 into 2 4, 4 into 5 it is 20. The answer is 20. Okay, so 6c3 value is 20. Now this is quite lengthy, not that much lengthy, but I can say it will take time. So what if I say, if you want to directly do, like for example in 5 to 6 seconds, so then how to do that? Let us see that simple method also. Now the same thing I'm going to solve with a simple method. So 6c3 I have the value. Okay, so carefully you have to listen. 6 is the upper number, 3 is the lower number. Upper number you take, observe the lower number, just observe. 3 is the lower number. Now upper number is 6, start with 6, in decreasing order multiply. Take 3 numbers only in decreasing order. Before 6 how many numbers will be there in decreasing order? 5 4 3 2 1, right? But you have to take only 3 numbers. So 6 is also included, then 5 will come, then 4 will come. How many numbers are there totally? 6 is there, 5 is there, 4 is there, that means 3 numbers. So 3 numbers is nothing but coming from the down part, which is nothing but the 6c3 down part, which is 3. Okay, then divided by whatever down part is there, this down part I have to take factorial, that means 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. So now if I calculate, so 2 2s are 3 2s are, so 2 into 2 into 5, it is nothing but 20 answer. I'm getting the same answer. We'll take few more problems. Formula thing I hope you understood, but the simple method starting stages it will be quite confusing, but you can do it when you practice more problems. So let us see one more example. 5c4. Now 5c4 you can write it as 5c2. This will be quite easier comparing to this one. So we'll solve for 5c2. 5 is the upper number, 2 is the lower number. Observe the lower number, upper number, from upper number decreasing, in decreasing order you have to take. So first write 5 itself, then in decreasing order we have 4 3 2 1, but you have to take restrict to 2 numbers only. I have here 2 as the denominator, not denominator, down part. Okay, so 5 into 4 divided by 2 factorial, 2 into 1. Always the down part, denominator of this one will be the factorial of down part, that's it. So the answer will be 10. If you want you can solve 5c4 also. So let me just calculate 5c4 also. So what you have to do, 5 is there, in decreasing order you have to go. How many numbers I should have? 4 numbers. 5 is there, then 4, then 3, then 2, done. How many numbers total? 4 numbers including 5. Okay, 4 numbers I have, including 5, 4 numbers. Now down will be the directly factorial, 4 factorial. Okay, so instead of writing factorial I can directly write 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, correct? Now this 1 anyways no use, you can directly 4 3 to cancel, 4 3 to cancel. So I'm going to calculate 5c3. Thing is that 5c3 you can write it as 5c2 also. We have learned this one, how to rewrite. 5 is fixed, the upper part, down part you will get it by taking the difference of this two. 5 minus 3 is 2, that's it. So 5c2 I'll calculate. So 5c2 how to calculate? Simple thing, numerator and denominator will be there. Denominator directly you can write 2 factorial, 2 into 1, that's it. Numerator part how to do, 5 is there, write 5 here. Then in decreasing numbers, how many numbers I should have? 2. So 5 into 4 in decreasing, not in increasing. 5 into 4 into 3 I cannot write, because if I write 3 then I will be getting 3 numbers. I want only 2 numbers, because here in denominator down part I have 2. So I should remove this 3. So I should have only 2 numbers. 2 numbers came from here. So here I will get it as what? 10 as the answer. 5c3 also same thing. 5c3 value will be denominator always the same thing, factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1. Then what about 5? 5 you first write. Then in decreasing order you take numbers in multiplication form. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Can I write 2 into 1 again? No, I cannot write, because I want only 3 numbers. If you observe here it is 3. So 3 numbers means 1, 2, 3. 5 is also included. Okay, I have to just remove this part. Correct. I'll be left out with this one. So 3 3 cancel. 2 2s are 2 into 5 is 10. Again the same thing, same answer anyways you will get. That is the advantage of rewriting. See, if I ask you 5c2 and 5c3, so you can just calculate one value and just write the same answer for the second thing. That is the advantage of what? Rewriting the combinations. Okay, so this will be useful while expanding the binomial expansion. So few more examples we'll see, and then we'll wind it up. So let us see 7c4. 7c4 is same as 7c3. So 7c4 will calculate first, which is nothing but down part. I said 4 is there, so 4 factorial. Directly you write it as 4 factorial. The upper portion is 7, so first you write 7. In decreasing order you multiply. So 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. But always remember that I need only 4 numbers, because the down part it is indicating as 4. So I should take only 4 numbers. So 7 is there, 4, 7, 6, 5, then 4. So total 4 numbers I have. I should just eliminate this portion. Correct. 3 to this thing. So I have got 4 numbers. Now you can calculate. Now 4 4 cancelled. 3 2s are 2 and 2 cancelled. So what is left out? 35. 7 into 5, 30. Okay, so simple thing. Then 7c3 also, if you want, you can calculate. Same answer anyways you will be getting. 3 is there down, so directly you write 3 into 2 into 1. 3 factorial. Okay, so 7 is there. First you write 7. Then in decreasing order you just go on multiplying. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. But no need to write, I am just writing for your understanding purpose. Now you need only 3 numbers, because it is indicating, down part is indicating 3. You have to take only 3 numbers. So up 1, 2, 3. So I should eliminate this portion. Okay, I should just cancel out this. So 3 2s are 6. So this thing cancel. 35 will be the answer. Okay, simple thing. 35 is the answer. Like that you can practice many type of problems. Okay,